Thank you. Ay, nakakapagod na dito pa rin kayo. Of course, sinusuportahan niyo mga hunks sa atin. Thank you so much po sa inyo. And right at this moment, of course, isayin naman natin yung mga hunks natin. Let's start off with hunk number 1. Madami mga fans yung mga hunks natin ngayon. Alright, brothers, simple lang naman tatanungin ko. All questions will be asked. Pare-pares lang sa inyo. Pakilala lang kayo. Kung may gusto kayong pasalamatan, of course. At kung may gusto kayong i-promote. So, if you guys are doing TikTok, YouTube, kung vlog pa kayo, may fitness program kayong gusto i-highlight, na gusto i-share, now is the perfect time. Kasi, you know what, ang dami talaga nakakadagdag ng followers. We have so many vloggers. Thank you so much mga vloggers natin. We're currently doing, of course, sa kanya-kanya ng mga channels who can follow you at pagdagdag sa inyong mga followers. And we all know nowadays, followers are currencies. Kaya, mga hunks, hunk number 1, take it away.
Hello everybody, I am Henry Contaran from Baguio City. And as well as I am a makeup artist, Miss Elvis Demalson. And please follow my page, Henry Contaran on Facebook.
Alright, so thank you so much, Manny Erica. And of course, you can follow him on the Facebook page, Enrico Antalan. Ayan, syempre, makikita na ng mga posts na on his fitness journey, how he maintains yung ganang physique, di ba? At syempre, hunk number 2, gusto ko rin namin mas makilala pa. Thank you so much. You're all the way from the north. We have one from Baguio and from Zambales. Malapit na siguro sir sa Madison Philippines. Kidding aside, congratulations. As early as now sa inyo, congrats na po. Hunk number 3.
Ako na pa si Sebastian Baptist from Malabibos, Pangasinan. Hi baby. Kiss mo ako mamaya. Paano niyo pala ako sa page ko? Lovely Sebastian.
Alright, you can follow him on his Facebook page. Sebastian. Ayun. You know, yung sumisigaw siya kanina, tatago na oh. Sumigaw na, I love you! Alright, I love you din now! Alright. Now let's move on to hunk number 4.
Hi everyone. Follow my Facebook, Art Tabasio, I'm from Taguig City.
Art my sweet, he's from Art Taguig City. Yeah, good na yung smile ni Art. Yeah, you can follow him. Art Sebastian. Sebastian. Lang ka, sorry. Art Sebastian. Alright. So now let's move on to number 5.
Thank you sa support guys. MJ Martin nga pala from Cavite City. Follow nyo ko sa FB. MJ Martin. Everything.
Art much sweet lang din si brother, daming fans. Pagalaw-galaw niya yung ano. Ay kaya pagalaw ko. Okay, thank you so much brother. Ikaw naman, hunk number 6.
Bruce Torres nga pala, batang 6'1". Tapos, taga Sampaloc, Manila. Salamat.
May paano ka daw ba lumipat ng address? Kidding aside guys, kaya yan ang when you guys go on this journey, marami kayo mga fans talaga. Marami nakaka sa inyo. I tell you guys, malayo makarating. And of course, thank you so much, Italis Manila for